Hey there, gamers. If you're looking for the ultimate gaming experience, look no further. Today, we're taking a closer look at the video game console 64G built-in 20,000 games retro handheld game console wireless controller game stick. This console is packed with a whopping 20,000 games from 2023.10.26, offering you endless hours of entertainment. The package includes one game console, two wireless gamepads, one USB receiver, one power cord, and one compatible extension cable, giving you everything you need to start gaming right out of the box. The best part? The games are preloaded, so all you have to do is plug and play. Plus, with support for up to 10 kinds of classic simulators, you can enjoy all your favorite nostalgic games. This game console is perfect for children and makes a great Christmas gift, offering a wide range of games to keep them entertained for hours on end. The mecha design elements give the console a cool and fashionable look, while the 2.4G wireless controller gamepad ensures a seamless gaming experience with high sensitivity and anti-skid design. But the fun doesn't stop there. This game console also supports gamers to search and customize their favorite games, allowing you to play and download games by yourself. And with support for 40 simulator format games compatible with more than 10,000 games, the gaming possibilities are endless. So if you're ready to level up your gaming experience, don't miss out on the video game console 64G built-in 20,000 games retro handheld game console wireless controller game stick. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing console and start gaming like never before. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting gaming content and reviews. Happy gaming, everyone.